In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access apps. Then tap on Dual Apps and click on grey switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. If you wish to clone one of the recommended apps, tap on the chosen one. Click on grey switcher next to Dual Apps and then adjust all of those options however you want to by clicking on the chosen ones. Share to Facebook, sign in using Facebook, and wake up Google Assistant using Google Assistant, When you finished, go back. So now when I check my apps, I can see that they were successfully cloned. If you wish to delete those clones, you can always go back to the same settings and click on blue switchers. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!